it, wine and toss it. She fit, she drip like chocolate.
What's the genre of music that you guys are coming with?
So back in the day, you know, you have DJ Cool Herc from Jamaica and then Grandmaster Flash from Barbados, as well as others that developed the hip hop that we know and love, right? Then you have the other artists that carry it on, the Biggest Smalls, the Tupac, XYZ. And then you have dancehall, which from Yellow Man, Ninja Man. Now, coming into this modern era, us being into modern pop entertainment, we want to establish this new genre called jam pop, which
Jam
is
pop.
jam
Okay.
pop, which is the merge between dancehall, hip hop, and using elements from modern pop entertainment. So gaming, cosplay, film, K-pop. What we want to make sure is that we draw from all elements of pop music, which includes but not limited to K-pop. It has been done in the past before, and what I think it has not been a label has not been put on it. You can see that they were getting to it, but it would have just been classed as dancehall. But right now, especially with the things always evolving, we want to bring back to the fore that we can bring in your own interests and still make it pop, still make it dancehall, and that is what we have jam pop.